Hey guys, welcome back to 25 CPs and welcome to day 7 of Nailmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this cute little Santa coat manicure that is super easy. I am using China Glaze's Ho Ho No from the Grinch collection, but you can use whatever red polish you would like as your base, and that just makes it super universal. So after I have my polish on, I'm going to go ahead and start with some white acrylic paint and put a line down the middle of my nail. Now I'm not too worried about the thickness here because we're going to actually expand that as the design goes on, because I want to make sure I have it straight on each side. So if I'm not worrying about the first stroke being straight or not, I can straighten it up by going on the sides of my nails. After you have that done, it is time to work on the bottom of the coat. Here you can use the same brush, or you can grab a dotting tool and put kind of 3 dots on the edge of your nail to connect the line to the sides of your nail, and the 3 dots kind of gives it a scalloped like look, which gives you the illusion of like a fuzzy coat, which is fun and festive for Santa. Then after that, I'm going to move on to the black belt. For this, I'm kind of going to make some guidelines here. So what I'm doing is starting in the middle, putting in my like straight line, and then I'm going to go from the sides and connect that to the middle line that I created. And this is kind of like the top line of the belt. So after this part is done, I'm going to go do the same thing below it with some space in the middle, and then we are going to fill in that space with the same black acrylic paint. Now, after your black part of your belt is dry, it is time to put in the belt buckle. For this, I'm using gold acrylic paint, which I found at Michael's. They have a nice range of metallic acrylic paint, actually, which is great for art. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm basically putting lines where the black and the white meet or touch, because that gives us a nice little rectangle shape. And I kind of want to round off the edges to give it a more like realistic feel, because I don't feel like on a belt you really want sharp corners. So that is how I'm creating my belt buckle. Now, after your manicure is 100% dry, it is time for you to put on your favorite top coat. Matte or shiny would look really great with this design. I actually did both ways because I wanted to see what it looked like, and it really did look great both ways. I just found that matte was going to work better for a picture so you guys could see it on camera, and we wouldn't have a big like shine in the middle of the coat. So that is what I did. So here's your final look at this manicure. I hope you guys have enjoyed 7 days of Nailmas now. I can't wait to see what number 8 brings us, which is tomorrow. So thanks again so much for watching. Be sure to head back tomorrow, or come back tomorrow for day 8. And if you guys have any more requests that you guys want to see in upcoming days, let me know in the comments below. And again, like I said, I really hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for day 8. Bye!